Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused. Sweet dreams are made of these. Sweet dreams, sweet dreams, sweet dreams.
Hi, Maki! We're finally here. I'm so happy and thankful na ikaw yung kasama ko ngayon dito sa event ng buhay ko na to. I remember praying to God na sana ma-meet ko yung taong mahal ako gaya ng pagmamahal ko sa kanya. One day, out of nowhere, He answered my prayer and I met you. Thank you, Lord.
Sun is shining, spotlight over me, but you're the only one to see.
Mahal kong Maki, sa wakas, dumating na rin ang araw nating pinakahihintay. Akalain mo yun, ang bilis ng 9 years pag alam mong nasa tamang tao ka. Thank you. Smile before you open. Play apathy when you read the letter. Apathy. To my future husband. This gift may remind you to always value every second, every minute, and hour in our life. Always to give time to our family, and especially to yourself. I love you. See you.
Thought of almost everything, played it out in every dream.
Shane at Kim, maganda yung mga pabaon ha, aral. Unang-una na, loyalty ha. Shane, be loyal to your wife ha. Kim, be loyal to your husband. Sa loyalty, usapin ng loyalty, sino lagi ang una? Tingin kayo sa bawat isa, yan, siya ang una.
Kaya pinapangako ko, hindi ako magta-time out. Kahit gaano kahirap ang laban natin sa buhay. Ako ang sasalo ng kahit anong problema. Isang guro na puno ng kaalaman, isang atleta na may lakas ng loob, at higit sa lahat, isang babae na kaya kong mahalin hanggang dulo. Your soon-to-be husband, Maki.
You can say that you want my love, but I'm calling you out on your bluff. You can say I'm the
At ito
one you
naman, para kay Prince, para sa kainuman ko din sa office. Groomsmen.
What you saying enough? You talk to me like I'm a king. You say I'm the
Stephanie De Los Santos!
but then you treat me like nothing.
maging masaya ka sa munti kong regalo. Gamitin mo ito para makapture tulad ng mga tawa natin habang natatalo kung saan. Nagtatalo kung saan kakain. See you later. Your soon to be husband. Cheers! Halika nga dito!
Think I've heard the song on the radio. The one where you shut me out and beg for me not to go. But nobody cares what you say and what you do, don't back it up. Oh honey, that you should know that.
So now, my love, Maki, let's build a home of laughter, love, and support. Let's create a warm and welcoming space for good and bad times. Let us be home for each other and forever and ever. I love you, Benchel. Love, Kimi, your nieces.
You can say that you want my